So traditional Chinese medical practices has always been somewhat mystical. Things like martial arts, Zen, acupuncture keeps popping up when you think of it. The last thing on your mind would probably be technology. Can't blame you for that, because the mainstream stereotype has embedded the image of Chinese men in traditional clothing practice slow-moving Zen-like exercise or Kung Fu. So deep, it is difficult to think otherwise. But as the world and technology progresses, traditional Chinese practices catches up too. So today we have invited the founder of AtoTech, Jerry.
Hello, David.
Hi. He's going to be here talking about their latest product. Now, Jerry, I know that AtoTech have actually successfully integrated Chinese medical practice into technology. So how did this idea come about?
Well, I have been working on similar medical detection software for more than 10 years. And when I first started, our goal was to build an auto-diagnosis database to improve the accuracy for reading the report. I didn't have a full vision on this during that time. Just then the smart device came out, so I decided to combine them all together, and then that's how AtoScan
Came about,
yes.
Smart devices like iPads, stuff like that.
Yeah, like iPad, iPhone, Apple Watch, or Android devices.
Okay, so it wasn't really into the design of that particular product. It's more like designing something else, and then this idea sort of sprang into mind.
Exactly. We've been working on this for like years and years, and then combine everything together, finally utilizing the AtoScan.
So it's just the right timing.
Exactly.
So AtoScan comes with applications for your mobile devices.
Yes, it does.
And it enables iOS and also Android devices.
Yeah, it supports them both.
Okay, fantastic. So how does it go?
Well, let me show you. Basically, just place the icon here, AtoScan, and here comes the login page. And then login, it brings out your cloud files. And if you want to create a new user, you can press it. And here's all the information you can put in. Okay, so if you want to start a new test, basically connect to our device first. Here comes the device, and yeah, now it's automatically sync by Bluetooth. And then the David, here's a profile we already prepared for you, and we can start a new test. So before the test, we have to do the adjustment. Just in case the value is right. If we reach 200, that means the value should be correct.
Okay.
Yeah. So I will start doing the measurement now. Okay.
So we go according to the red dot.
Yes.
Okay.
The meridian chart, the meridian screen will guide you to the right meridian position. Okay. Here comes the measurement. So we will measure 24 points total, and it takes about approximately 3 minutes. And then after all, the report will come out. Let me cancel this first. Just go to a report page here. For example, okay, just here comes a week alert. Okay, and then it tells you everything: A, B, C, D, E, F.
Okay, so it gets graded.
Yeah, it's like giving you an overall score of your health status, and this is a health trend. Like every day, if you are doing the automatic diagnosis, it records here, and then this shows a critical problem that you have here. Okay, if you don't really understand, you can just click it. It tells you where you need to be aware of, like good, weak, warning. Okay, and then we can see here, this is the unwell part, the uncomfortable part. You need to be really careful. For example, chest tightness or headache. Okay, here comes the area, shows the 5 major problems you got here. Okay, if you are normal, it tells you that you are okay, doing okay. But if you have too much stress, for example here, it tells you you really need to be relaxed a little bit.
Now, what I really think about this product and it stands out is that it doesn't just tell me numbers.
Exactly. Actually, it helps you to detect your sub-health condition and then use infographic in order to tell your health status. For example, like metabolism, your energy level, your muscle rate, something like that. Yeah, so the most easiest way for you to read the report.
Fantastic. So Jerry, there's no doubt that AtoScan is a cool product.
Thank you, David.
Now, it's interesting to find out, in your eyes, how does this product fit into the world of IoT or smart cities?
Well, investing in the health of your workforces make good business, but an annual overall check can be expensive business for most of the companies. Now we can use AtoScan as a buffer to detect the early symptoms, overall health status of our people within just a few minutes, anywhere, anytime.
So it saves time and money for these corporates.
Exactly.
Okay, and have you guys thought about integrating with big data or cloud computing?
Yeah, we have been thinking about big data, and for trying to fit into the big data strategy, we have been working on the prevention systems. For example, helping government to detect the early symptoms and find out the disease trend, like what kind of the symptom may cause what kind of the disease. That will help our people to save more costs in the future.
So basically, data provided to our government, and they'll be able to use that to analyze and distribute health medical resources according to your reports.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, fantastic. Well, that sounds like a very cool, interesting plan.
Thank you, David.
Thank you so much, Jerry. That's it. Make sure you visit AtoScan's website. It's down below, and tell us what you think about Chinese medical practices.